So I think it's safe to say that we needed to swap this old heat exchanger out with the new one. We have a lot of damage here, as you can see. And I think it's time to prep the new one and forget about this one. So now I'm basically done mounting the exhaust manifold on the engine. So I think it's time to start up and see. Hopefully everything is going to work fine. I do suspect that we might have a problem with the head gasket in addition to the problem with the heat exchanger and the exhaust manifold. But I won't know for sure until I start it up and test everything. So let's do that. All right, the engine has been running for a good 45 minutes now and everything is looking promising. It holds water, which is so much better than last time I was here when all the water just disappeared within 2-3 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep it running for a little bit longer and then I will head back to the shop. All right, see you there. So now I'm on board a 440 by Chanot and my job is to replace this hand pump for the toilet because the old one is broken. That's it really. Let's go to work. So as you can see right here, we have coolant water coming out of this section right here, and that's because before winter time I put coolant in the toilet But I guess it's better to have coolant coming out of here than the alternative. So now we have coolant water, some shit from the toilet, and some blood from my hand all over the place here. So now it's getting late. I'm actually cooking a dinner right now, which is something that we were not able to do before. But now we have this beautiful kitchen, so it's almost like home. Makes it so much more cozy to work long nights at the office. So I think I want to end the episode right now, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for following the channel. If you like what you see, remember, give me a thumbs up, and you can, if you will, subscribe. All right, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.